Actually, yun talaga din yung habol ko sa Alas yung experience. Kasi I know as a player, marami pa akong pwede matutunan. And I grabbed that opportunity. And I think it will help me then in the long run. Kasi sana yung natutunan ko doon, di ko lang ma-apply sa Alas, pwede na din dito sa new team ko, which is Real.
Ayun nga, Lia, at times ginamit ka rin as opposite. Tulad nung ginawa rin kay Angel, nung andun din naman siya sa team. Siguro, paano lang yung naging adjustment and paano mo lang in-embrace yung challenge?
Actually, ahead of time naman, sinasabihan ako ni Coach Brian na parang ready. So parang kailangan talaga once you're like in the national team, maging ready ka in whatever position you are gonna be put in. So ayun, I just have my mindset ready.
Nung in-interview namin kayo sa UAAP, parang nasabi niyo ni Amy na it's an honor to just be considered sa national team pool. Ngayon na may isa ka ng tournament under your belt, siguro medyo nag-sink in na ba yung honor na nakasama ka in representing the Philippines?
Hindi pa naman totally sink in, but I'm really, really thankful kasi parang that opportunity is helping me build myself back again and sana magtuloy-tuloy na po.
Dito naman sa PLDT, wala pa rin talo sila sa on tour. Siguro, how excited ka lang rin mag-join sa ganitong team na sobrang dynamic ngayon?
Okay, first of all, congrats to my team. Yay! I'm just really excited and first time ko din mag-watch ng laro nila live kasi last time I was in Vietnam. So this time around, parang nakita ko live. So parang na-excite na din ako makalaro soon. And at the same time, I'm really proud of them. Despite na parang kulang, sobrang nag-show up lahat. Yeah.